Hey amazing subscribers, welcome back to Elevate with Jeremiah channel, where we unlock the secrets to wealth creation and financial freedom. Are you tired of feeling broke even though you work hard? Today we're diving deep into the topic why your money mindset is keeping you broke and how to fix it. We all know the frustration of hitting payday, watching those numbers hit your bank account only to find yourself broke again within days. So what's the secret to keeping money in your bank account? Well, the answer might surprise you. So without further ado, let's dive into this eye-opening conversation. Now stay tuned because this video is packed with insights that will change the way you think about money forever. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our money-making secrets. Let's start with a simple fact. Making more money is not the solution to your financial problems. If you're stuck in a cycle of being broke despite a steady income, it's time to look beyond your paycheck. Now let's introduce you to a groundbreaking concept, your money mindset. Your money mindset is like an invisible force that shapes your financial reality. And here's the kicker, over 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. Why? Because they never change their money habits. That's right, winning big bucks doesn't change your money mindset, which means you're doomed to financial ruin unless you change your mindset. Here are some questions to help you identify your money mindset. Do you find it difficult to trust people with money? Are you afraid to ask for a raise or invest in your financial future? Or perhaps you struggle to say no to unnecessary expenses. If you relate to any of these scenarios, it's time to face the truth. Your money mindset might be holding you back. We want you to close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You have a piggy bank filled with $100. Every day you put aside $100 from your allowance and diligently save until you have enough to buy something special. You open your piggy bank, but guess what you see? An empty piggy bank. Imagine the shock and disappointment. That's exactly how it feels when your money disappears without a trace. But fear not, because we are here to guide you through this journey of self-discovery and empower you to take control of your financial future. Let's dive into the 5 common money mindset mistakes that could be keeping you trapped. Number 1. I'll start saving when I make more money. The classic "I'll start saving tomorrow" mentality. But here's the thing. Saving is a habit, not a financial status. You won't magically start saving when you earn more. In fact, studies show that most people end up spending their raises within months. Don't fall into this trap. Number 2, rich people are just lucky or greedy. Resentment won't fill your bank account. Instead, focus on learning from others. Attend networking events, read books by successful individuals, and learn from their journeys. You can do it too. Number 3, more money. More spending. Lifestyle inflation is a real killer. When you earn more, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle. Treat yourself occasionally, but prioritize saving and investing. Remember, true wealth is about financial freedom, not keeping up with the Joneses. Number 4, I can't afford to invest. Investing is not just for the rich, it's a tool for everyone to build wealth. With platforms like Trove, you can start investing with as little as $500. Time is your greatest ally in investing, so start early and invest consistently. Number 5, making money is hard. Stop it. If you think making money is hard, you'll always struggle financially. Adopt a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and adapt. Remember, your mindset determines your financial altitude. It's time to unlock your true potential and achieve financial greatness. Remember, your money mindset holds the key to your financial success. Don't let another year go by feeling stuck. Take action today. So amazing subscribers, we hope you enjoyed this eye-opening journey into the world of money mindset. If you found value in this video, don't forget to show us some love by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our empowering money secrets. Together, we can shatter the money mindset barriers and pave the way for financial abundance.